Hello everyone, welcome you all to this webinar where we are going to discuss how to supercharge Shopify with real-time B2B price sync from SAP S4HANA. This is a business use case which is being faced by one of our customer during onboarding phase where they want to have the same experience, exact experience for the B2B prices, which is being configured within their SAP environments and want to have the same experience and share the same experience for their B2B customers for in Shopify digital commerce platform. I'm Abhijit, Vice President at APPSeCONNECT. And along with me, I have Rishita, Associate Account Manager working at APPSeCONNECT. I would like to thank Rishita for taking your time to join this webinar with me. And why don't you go ahead and give introductions to the audience?
Yeah,
What
sure,
do you
Avijit.
Rishita?
Yes. So thank you for introducing me. And I'm feeling glad to work with you and share this webinar with you. So, hi everyone, myself Rishita, and I'm working as an associate account manager in AppSy Connect from past few years. And I closely work with my enterprise customers in all different sectors. Usually, I join their journey from onboarding phase and I take them till go live phase. And from my professional thing, and I am interested in traveling, and usually travel a lot when I get a free time, and also I try different recipes in my weekends. So this is a short story about me, and over to you, Avijit.
Great, great. Yeah, I saw your Insta post during your travel. I saw that you
Yes.
went to Maharashtra and it was really great. Nice place.
Yeah.
And I here to
Thanks.
taste your recipe though. But yeah, when I get a chance, I would like to go
Yeah.
there and
Sure. Sure.
have a taste. Okay. So in this webinar, basically we are going to discuss and why and how to bring prices from SAP and to Shopify. And also we would like to cover a small demonstration for our viewers. Then we will be discussing key considerations and learnings, and then we would take questions and try to give the answer. So as for the merchants, it's important to have the exact price which is configured in the backend systems, and so the customers can avail that. Because if anything, any problems with the customer, that's also hit on the reputation and hit the profit as well. So in this webinar, as we said, that it's a real-time experience and a challenge faced by the merchant. And Rishit, I believe you can remember while we were discussing
Yes.
with one of our customer, then they exactly point out that yeah, some of the things we can migrate and we can pass into Shopify, where we can bring the products, its images, it's well managed, right? And
Right.
also the customer data we can have it, and customer can log in and place the orders. That's also being done, and synchronizations are possible, but they faced a challenge when they want to have that same pricing policies and maintain within Shopify. They face challenge because in SAP they want to manage all price configuration, customer contracts, customer specific, special price, special discounts, seasonal discounts, scale based discounts. So there are a lot of combinations which is well managed within SAP S4 HANA environment, and they want to keep it. But at the same time, they want to have their customer to avail the same price, same discount when they are logging into e-commerce environment and purchasing any product, right? And because they normally, as their process, they get a call by the customers and their sales representative respond, place the order on their behalf for those B2B customer. But that is also time consuming, but they want to have the same feature for 24/7 where they can just manage and place their orders by their own self through the e-commerce platform. And in
Right.
Shopify, they face this challenge. So for the viewers, here we just try to eliminate that challenge and come up with a solution where just considering these factors, because if the data is huge with pricing combinations and storing that data for every customer is very challenging in Shopify. And that would not only take time, it may lead to data error. It may may be very time consuming, and it requires some developments and customizations within Shopify itself. by avoiding those things, what solution is doing, if any customer is logging into Shopify platform, they can exactly see the price for that particular item while doing checkout, right? So that way we have done a solution, and where we are trying to get that customer details, get the price information from SAP the moment they are logging in and selecting the products and proceeding with checkout. So that's being applied in real time mode. So customer can see the exact price against which they want to place orders. And once they are placing order, even in the order level, that's being reflected. So I
And
would request,
yes.
yes, go ahead, please, Nishita.
And we are making this process easier with our AppPseConnect. So we are placing our AppPseConnect in between SAP and Shopify, and it will eliminate all the
Right.
like difficulties in between. So
Yeah. For the viewers, just to add, AppSeConnect is no code iPaaS platform, and where you don't need to do any coding, any developments with this platform to do the integration between multiple applications, where there are multiple process flows, multiple packages for multiple applications, which you can just buy it or have it out of box. And by configuring it, you can do the automations journey possible and very less time and go to market very easily. Yeah. Next, I would like Rishita, you to take over and proceed with the demonstration for our viewers with the solutions that we have developed for this customer and between SAP S/4HANA and Shopify.
so let me share my screen quickly. And so this is our Shopify website where we are going to place orders as a registered customer. I mean B2B customer as well as a B2C customer. So right now I'm not logged in. So that means I am a guest customer. So right now you can see I have a few products here, and you can see as a guest I am having the different prices here. It's 14491730 2302. So now let me log in as an already registered customer, as I have already have an account. So let me log in as a Mobile City Corp and let me sign in. Now let's place an order. Okay. Let me take this product and let me add it to cart and see. As you can see, the price is 1730 now.
Mhm.
So at this point of time, we are going to fetch prices from SAP. So now it will be discounted with the exact SAP price that we have in SAP. So first have a look at Shopify. And if you
Wow,
can see
it's got
here,
changed.
it's 1351. For double check, let's go to SAP and find the same product. So I'm using the same customer. Okay. And this is the same product that we are using there. And let me, and I have used the same quantity as well with the same customer and product. And you can see the net value in SAP is same, that is matched in Shopify. So this is how we transfer the prices from SAP to Shopify when you are logged in as a registered customer. So now let me go in and change the discount value. So I'm going to change this one. As you can see here, I'm going to change it in the condition section. Now you can see the amount is 20%. Now I'm going to change it as 50.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to save this. Okay. Now let's go to Shopify again and let's check in the cart. So I'm going to check out again. And at this point of time, again we'll fetch all the latest prices. Earlier the discount was 20, and now as we have changed it to 50, it will get us some new price. So you can see
Wow.
13 change. Now it is converted to 931. let's check the same in SAP.
So exact
So
price which is
yeah,
configured in SAP being transferred into Shopify in real time mode.
yeah,
So
true.
the customer can have the real time feature and the same price which is already configured in SAP environments.
Yeah,
That's
and
really cool.
the best part is, Vijit, you don't need to even log out. It brings the prices when you're logged in only. So that's
Wow.
one of the best part. And you can see it's 931 in SAP as well. So
Yeah.
this is how we fetch the prices, latest prices. I mean,
And,
so
the
with all,
configurations, even if it is tax configured, if it's tax included price, if it is
yes.
configured within SAP, that also can be brought into Shopify
Yes.
environment. So
So
if
right now we are not fetching tax, but if a
okay,
customer has that requirement, we will transfer this as well to Shopify. But most of the customers prefer to have the tax and shipping on Shopify only. But if they are really interested, then we can send this tax and shipping as well from SAP to Shopify itself.
oh, that's great. And once if the tax is collected from SAP and transferred into Shopify, then Shopify tax configuration might needs to be disabled.
Disabled. Yeah,
So that Shopify would not collect and apply any tax, but SAP would apply the tax and that would get collected from SAP and shown to the customer. So that
correct.
level also can be added for the viewers. That level can be added as like price is tax included. That sort of changes can be done within the Shopify through the configuration. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
And we can also do the scale based pricing, Avijit. So let me
Wow.
do that as well for you.
Mhm.
So let me go back. As the scale based pricing condition is different, that's PR00 for us. And I'm using the material with release status. So as you can see here,
Mhm.
uh, it is 1000 per one piece. So I'm making it as for two pieces, I'm making it as 600. Okay. So it became 6. Let me save this. So now let's go to Shopify and order two quantity. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm going to increase the quantity here and the price is 3461 here. Let's go to checkout page and here it is bringing the latest prices again. So yeah, and we can see here it's 1302. Okay, let me go to SAP. Okay. I'm ordering here as well two quantity and let's see the price. So you can see here it's 1302, right? And it's
Yeah.
the same price reflected here as well. So this is how we do scale based pricing as well from SAP to Shopify.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Great. So, yeah, I think that's really great. And how the prices got synced or just real-time reflections is was great. So,
Okay.
yeah, you can share a few learnings that you have got uh, while
Hmm.
doing the implementation for this customer. So viewers also have that understanding and knowledge from our from the implementation.
Sure, Avijit. So coming to key considerations, we don't need to maintain any prices on Shopify. With this real-time sync process, all the data, like I mean, the price data with the latest prices as well as the complex price configurations, it would come from the ERP system to Shopify, with which it would prevent the data duplication and it would not have any ambiguity to any one of the sales team from ERP or e-commerce system. And it also saves a lot of time for the sales team persons Instead of placing orders on the behalf of customers, B2B customers, customers can place their orders by themselves, as they can see all the prices including coupons, taxes that are coming from SAP to Shopify.
Wow.
So
Vishita, I can see few questions coming from the viewers. So let us
mhm.
take few questions from the
Sure, Abhijit.
viewers. So I can see a question is this supported for all Shopify plans or only for Shopify Plus?
It would support the advanced plan as well in normal Shopify plan, but
Mhm.
we personally suggest to use the Shopify Plus plan as it has more options for configuration and also private app builder. So it is better to use the Shopify Plus plan.
Okay, okay. And Shopify Plus, I believe, would also come up with more API
Right,
limit.
right, and limit. Yes,
Yes, okay,
you're
great.
right.
But it also support Shopify Advanced plans. So those are
Yes,
using Shopify Advanced, they can also avail the real-time price solution, right?
correct. Yes, you are right.
Okay. So next question I can see, what about shipping and taxes?
So usually, Avijit, taxes and shipping will be maintained on Shopify.
Mhm.
But based on the requirement of the customers, we can handle them from SAP to Shopify as well. And we have already stated in our demonstration that in we have seen the tags in SAP, right? We can pass
Mhm.
that even to Shopify with the AppSeConnect configuration. So we can even pass
Wow.
that. But the only thing is they have to disable the taxes and shipping on Shopify level, and it would
Wow.
only
Wow.
take the SAP.
That's great. That's great.
Yes.
So that means both customers and both the customers the way they
Yeah.
need in both conditions they can avail it. That's great.
Right.
So I know that we have done this for registered we shown that. So what about guest
Yes.
customers? How the guest
So
customers are get managed?
yeah, guest customers can be done in two ways. First is like they can use a one-time customer. So with that one-time customer number, we can sync the respective prices to Shopify from SAP. The other way is managing the prices directly on Shopify for all the B2C customers. So these are the two ways for guest customers. We can use any one of them.
Okay, okay. So a lot of questions are coming, but let us take
Great.
two more questions and
Yes.
proceed further. So will it handle coupon codes along with real-time price?
Yes, absolutely. So if customers apply code at the checkout level, it would accept on the top level of that real time prices. So we can handle even that coupon code uh, prices.
Okay, okay. And I have last question that what is the benefit of using AppSeConnect instead of custom integration?
Okay, so AppSeConnect is a no code iPaaS platform, Avijit. So here you don't need to develop anything. You can directly download the packages that are already developed. So it is easy to use and it's a user friendly. So this is very comfortable and feasible to use for the customers as well.
Okay, great, great. I can see there are few questions still. However, I would like to take those questions later and reach out to the viewers by sending the answers over email.
Yes.
Thank you everyone for watching
Thank you,
this
everyone.
webinar. Thanks, Rishita, and
Thank you.
have a nice day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye.